Can't you draw beautiful hair? We're here to teach you today. This video is for you. Hello guys, my name is Mobin, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw different hairstyles very simply. Let's go. We have almost billions of hairstyles, like cartoon, manga, realistic, or nothing at all. But if we want to teach from the basics, we need a basic form like this. You should know that hair originates from this point and spreads out. This is very, very important. So if we want to draw hair, we must draw it starting from here, towards the forehead, like this. Well, from here on, it depends on your manga character. If your character is in the shonen and funny style, it's better not to add too many details, like what you see in the picture. But if your manga character is in the seinen and adult style, it's better to add more details, like this. And if you think there should be more rules, you're mistaken. It all comes down to practice. Oh, and one very important thing. As always, here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw body anatomy, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.